I'm at a cottage today called 3 School Hill. It's in South Petherwin. It offers 2 double bedrooms, shower room, but all on the first floor, and then downstairs you've got the slate floors, you've got an ingle nook fireplace with a wood burning stove and a delightful little kitchen, as well as a sunroom on the back. So the living room is, as you can imagine, very cosy as you step in from the road outside. There is road parking, and you've got a lovely view of the church at South Petherwin, which is you can just see that when I'm standing in the back garden. So it's very close and very pretty little place.